Have you seen the A-29 Super Tucano's incredible new look? Embraer has just unveiled its latest demonstrator, and the transformation is turning heads. The aircraft now features a sleek new gray camouflage scheme that gives it a modern and aggressive appearance. What really stands out is the attention to detail throughout the painting process. The footage offers a fascinating look at the craftsmanship involved, showing just how much work goes into creating this striking new visual identity. But this update is about much more than fresh paint. The A-29 Super Tucano has built a reputation as one of the most successful light attack and advanced trainer aircraft in the world. With more than 300 aircraft flying in 22 air forces, it has earned the trust of pilots and operators across the globe. Its long record of reliability and effectiveness has made it a proven platform, and this latest evolution shows that it continues to adapt to the demands of modern military operations. The Super Tucano has also reached some major milestones recently. One of the biggest is its entry into service with NATO, a significant achievement that highlights its capabilities and dependability. There is also growing interest in establishing a new assembly line in Portugal, which could strengthen production and support capabilities in Europe, while expanding the aircraft's international presence. Another exciting development is the aircraft's growing role in countering modern aerial threats. Embraer is enhancing the A-29's counter-drone capabilities through the integration of advanced AI-based technologies. As unmanned systems become an increasingly important factor on today's battlefields, these upgrades are designed to help the Super Tucano detect and respond to those challenges more effectively. What makes this latest chapter so interesting is the combination of a bold new appearance with the same trusted performance that operators have relied on for years. The aircraft may look different, but its proven strengths remain at the heart of its mission. Seeing it alongside the C-390 Millennium at the end of the video is a reminder of how Embraer's modern aircraft are helping shape the future of air forces around the world. So, what do you think about the Super Tucano's new look and its latest technology upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What's a bits.